lip. There we go.
There you go.
There we go. I ran up on a good movie the other night, but it was too late for me to watch it. Mom and Pa Kettle.
Oh my gosh, I love Mom and Pa Kettle.
50s, 60s, and 70s movies.
Yeah.
Mom and Pa Kettle. They had 6 of them on there. I think that's all they ever done was 6. Right on a rock. And your battery getting low.
Well, there's smoke coming off of the gun.
Oh, and it stinks.
Right in the middle of a rock. Right in the middle of a rock.
I think no, that's coming out of the motor.
Oh, I know. That's why it's getting hot. It's got to be right in a rock or something. Right in a 4 or 5 roll rock.
It's in something.
Yeah, it's chewing it all to pieces. It looks like you're chewing up rock.
Let me go to the next bigger drill bit here, so it won't keep me from getting.
Yeah, those people coming out here at 12 and 1 o'clock.
Let's see how far we can get it in.
Not as far as that other one.
It's further.
Yeah.
I think that other one, cause the wood was tight,
Yeah.
I think it started driving that shank up and made it prematurely tighten.
You been to the aquarium downtown, sis?
Never.
Well, it's got big slabs of stone on there. About gonna run you a few screws in it to make it one piece. Let me out! Let me out!
Yeah. Yeah, I don't think you can squeeze between them.
I can too. See?
Okay, I gotta lean it just a little bit to get to this.
I can't put my legs. See, I can suck a belly in, but you just can't suck it sideways, you know?
Okay.
You put it in there again, way too far.
Yeah.
He does every single time. He thinks he's got to run it through the whole wood.
I'm fixing to fix it. This bed ain't working like a poop. Slip, 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 slip.
Got a height difference, but not bad.
Shouldn't be.
Well, there is. About a quarter.
Yeah, it's in the concrete. But
Now it's even worse.
and you know how the wood is.
Okay. So when I stomped it, it got worse.
Yeah. But you got to stomp it because you're gonna have to drill it down.
It's gonna have a double top plate on it, so we'll take care of that. Boy, that's right to the end.
Yep. Right on.
I mean, right to the end. Just eyeballing to see it.
Sorry about the camera. Bugs all over me. Asian beetles.
Hey, they got traps you can get for them. Bag traps or something.
I don't know, our little camper, the ceiling's full, the windows are full.
Hey, they're coming in mine everywhere but the right way.
They're 50 inside ours.
I've been killing them. You can, I got yesterday, filled up one of my sprayers with dishwashing liquid and water, but as soon as it hits them, down they go. That way it don't mess up nothing either. Yeah, I talked to Johnny this morning. I caught him up there in the yard, running his mouth with some other fish. His brother, I will not let you get away. I said, about finished with matter picking? Yeah, so on some matter. So she was already a little bit out of shape.
Probably, but I'm not worried about it. If people don't want to talk to me, I have no problem with it. I won't be offended or my feelings won't get hurt.
Yeah, he was talking to his, him and his brother and some other guy was talking. The one that's kind of short and fat.
Lamar.
Oh, okay. Sort of red-headed.
Yeah.
Yeah. Makes you wonder if there's little knobs. Irish in it.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to edit all that out.
See, Daryl's got Irish. That red head.
That is totally weird.
You want a nail in it? Here. Here, come here. Come here, Eric. Give me that. Like you said, quit working so hard.
Yeah. Alright. We need a better board.
Well, now we can get in the ring, see?
Yeah, we need a long one.
Think so? Because you're just gonna have to put a side on it in a minute.
Okay, so you're down in the ground.
Yeah.
But you're Alright, now let's try it.
Well, yeah. Push them down yonder.
Well, it's this board doing that.
Yeah. Take it loose all the way down to the.
Yeah, we can leave the bottom, but crap. That's why you don't need to scotch one side, you need a dowel. Let's see how bad I just messed this up.
Well, actually, you needed to went ahead and put one in the floor.
Man, that sun is right in my
I know.
eyes. And I ain't tall enough.
They had a sale on monocrystallines. Ran into. There was 10, 550 monocrystallines for $2,700.
That's outrageous.
That's what I thought.
Outrageous. I'm not gonna fight this.
Where you getting? I'll take the wood out.